This is 9.3, number 1, and we are testing the claim that the two samples are from populations with the same mean. So my null hypothesis is this mu sub 1 equal mu sub 2, and I want to find the test statistic. So let's open up StatCrunch. And I want to make that, looks like StatCrunch might be running a little slow today. So I'll wait for it to come up. It says it's waiting down here for StatCrunch to pull up. All right, so choose Stat, and then choose T-Stat, to sample with summary. Now let's enter in our data. So our data is, and that comes from here, my sample mean is 2.37. Sample standard deviation is 0.57. Sample size is 29. Now what about my other population? My sample mean is 2.67. Standard deviation is 0.89. Sample size is 32. Now you want to unclick pooled variances and now click compute. And it asks me for my t-statistic and my p-value. So the t-stat is -1. Let me see how many places they want. 2 decimal places. So my t-stat will be -1.58, -1.58. And now it's going to ask me for my p-value. And my p-value is here. And it's 0.1195. But it wants 3 decimals, so that's going to be 1.120. 0.120. Check answer. Good. And then what we do is we want to figure out our conclusion. Our p-value is 0.12. 0.12 is what to my significance level? And we're using a 0.05 significance. So 0.12 is greater than 0.05. So that means we do not reject H sub O. Fail to reject the null hypothesis. It means it's going to be either C or D. There is sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that the two samples are population. Fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is not significant evidence to warrant rejection of the claim. It's part D. Check my answer. Good.